Question, how common is this back window? I'll show you something. It goes down way too easy. As you can see on its own, nothing. Just a light little tap, and it just keeps going down. And down and down and down. The whole way. I mean, you can literally just poke it. And it just keeps going. Okay? So, I brought today, so that doesn't happen, a little weight. Just sit right like that. Okay. Good. Now, when I go to truck shows, I see a beautiful, like, leather strap that gets anchored in here. And it'll come around and slip over this, so it just holds the window up. It's a pretty good idea. Like I said, the old leather strapping ties in here. Just a little clip that goes over and holds the handle down. I thought that was a really nice idea to make it look good. But how common is the back window? And does yours do that if you have it? Okay, good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, April 17th. It's approximately 7:15 this morning. And this truck is going to be soda blasted today. Cab and hood, doors, everything besides all the underneath suspension parts and frame. Soda blasting takes off the paint only, not the rust. So he's going to blast this cab. Instead of going around each rivet sanding it, we're just going to soda blast it. So it won't look like this no more. While I'm talking about this truck, here's those frame rails. My camera got full on memory and just decided to quit recording, which makes sense. That's usually what happens. So these are the frame rails we got. Good shape. I mean, you can see the tag is still on it and all the warning labels. So they're gonna go on this truck. I got a wheel lined up here, kind of give me an idea of what it's gonna look like. I use this nut on the ground as my center wheelbase from center to center, and it's probably what a belt's gonna look like. I may go just a little bit longer, not much, but my 3-foot sleeper comes to here, so I'll have about 7-8 feet of decking right now from the behind the sleeper. But like I said, I'm really trying to visualize this and take my time and make sure it's exactly what I want, because I only got one shot. 8:11. He's already got it fired up. Ready to roll. We're bullshitting for a little bit, but here it goes. Okay, he's still going nuts over here. Fiberglass hood. We're just testing it to see how it blasts off. Same with the top of the cab, it's fiberglass. So okay, we're going to take the skid loader to a job. He's still over here plugging away. Doing an excellent job though. Okay, it is 4:35. He still has a door in the back cab to do. But he's been plugging away all day. We ran into a problem this morning. It took us about 2 hours to fix an issue, but it's looking pretty good. I got some holes to fill in, but I knew that was coming. It's an old truck. So, but looking great. We're blasting away. 6 o'clock. Looking awesome. Exciting. Oh my God, what a day. Still going. 6:45. Go at it. A little bit more on the top to do.
I'll hold it, I'm not going to be on camera.
Oh, you already are. See that red dot? That's it. He's done. Blowing off. 7-Eleven. And he's out. Okay, well, that's it for today. The truck got soda blasted. Railings got built. I hauled a machine to one job. Took back a machine to another job. Had about 6 people stop in since they noticed the truck was blasted, so they all stopped in, checked it out. Bull crap for a little while. I'm pretty excited with how the truck came out. It looks really good. Got a lot of work to do, of course, but it looks nice being one color, or prepped, I should say. So it lets me go to the next part, which the next part is going to be button up them frame rails, which I told you last time. We're going to cut them frame rails in, weld them up, stretch it to the length we need. After that, we'll have the sandblaster come out, and he will sandblast the rear ends, primer, or epoxy primer it, and get it ready to go. So, one last look for tonight. That's it right there. All done. Time to go home. I'm going to lock this place up. It is 10:03, 10:04. And tomorrow at 6:15 is a new day. So, as always, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I hope you liked it. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go home, go to bed, and repeat. Good night.